Hello everyone. This is Preeti Mule, Associate Professor, Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we will be performing the limit test for sulfates. The sulfate limit test is designed to determine the allowable limits of sulfate contained in a sample. Principle of limit test for sulfates. The limit test of sulfates is based on the reaction of soluble sulfates with barium chloride in presence of dilute hydrochloric acid to form barium sulfate, which appears as solid particles in the solution. Then the comparison of turbidity is done with standard turbidity obtained from a known amount of sulfate and the same volume of dilute hydrochloric acid which has been added to both the solutions. The barium chloride test solution in the IP has been replaced by barium sulfate reagent, which is having barium chloride, sulfate free alcohol and a solution of potassium sulfate. Potassium sulfate has been added to increase the sensitivity of the test. The reagents that we require to carry out the limit test for sulfates are potassium sulfate, barium chloride, which is required to prepare the barium sulfate reagent, hydrochloric acid, and the various glassware required are pipette, glass rod, beaker and 2 Nessler cylinder. To start with the procedure, take 1 ml of 0.1089% weight by volume solution of potassium sulfate in Nessler cylinder. This is then followed by the addition of 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. The contents in the Nessler cylinder, which is labeled as standard, are made up to 45 ml with distilled water. This is then followed by the addition of 5 ml of barium sulfate reagent. This is kept aside for 2 minutes. Now coming to the test sample, specific weight of the compound is dissolved in water or the solution is prepared as directed in the pharmacopoeia and transferred to the Nessler cylinder. This is then followed by the addition of 2 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. The contents in the Nessler cylinder labeled as test sample are then, the volume is made up to 45 ml with distilled water. This is then followed by the addition of 5 ml of barium sulfate reagent. The contents are kept aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the turbidity produced in the test sample is compared with the standard. The turbidity produced in the sample solution should not be greater than the standard solution. If the turbidity produced in the sample is less than the standard solution, the sample will pass the limit test of sulfates.